Anne-Marie St. John, and I'm one of the Level Up teachers for NYI this summer. Sixth graders at NYI are participating in Level Up Village, which is a program about global learning. We're specifically targeting global energy this summer. We work with the Dr. Pillai Global Academy in New Panfils, India, and we collaborate with them each week, and we talk about different solar designs and different ways we can make global energy equitable for the whole world. Our students this week are building their own designs, and then they have to show their designs to their partner in India, who will give them some constructive criticism, and then the students will go back to the design board and redesign their own design. We have made some designs already. We made prototypes that were successful, and we made a few designs that weren't successful, but that's part of the engineering process, is error.
I'm Robert Denellen. I'm an intern for Level Up Village, and I've been in here working and helping out with the Tinkercad program, and hopefully teaching kids how to use it effectively.
My name is Leah Roman, and I am working on Tinkercad. I'm making a solar box with my partner, and it is shaped like a star, but since the sides are pointy, I decided to put cylinders on the side just in case it is in a children's environment, because I don't want it to cut any children, and I'm responsible for that. I don't want to do that. It's trial and error.
In the errors, our students saw the need for thinner walls and shapes that would hold the switches.